besties, if you don't know who I am, I'm Haley and today I'm going to be unboxing some subscription box. Today we have Cartilage Monthly Club from Body Candy, the Kawaii Box, and Ipsy. So I think I'm going to start off with the Kawaii Box today. It is $24.90 a month, and this is the inside. It does have free worldwide shipping. You can go into their store and buy past boxes and buy past items and stuff. And I have opened this box before, and I have to say last time I liked it pretty well. And the first thing in this box is this adorable bunny rabbit rainbow thing. It is a pastel rainbow bunny plush. It is so soft and so cute. I have to say I'm actually really happy with this. I think it has like it has a dangly thing for a keychain type thing, so you can put it on a bag or something. I love pastel colored things, so I'm actually really happy with this. That actually makes me really happy. Okay, my little buddy is just gonna sit right there. Okay, and then we have some, just looks like regular old pencils. 2 of them. They're really cute. They have cute designs on them. This one is like, they're both all desserts. This one has unicorns and rainbows on it, and this one has like cupcakes and ice cream and sundaes and milkshakes. That's pretty exciting. This is a blueberry yogurt gummy. Ooh. That's interesting. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and see what a blueberry yogurt gummy tastes like. I do like the Kawaii Box because in every box they do send you a snack. Last time I believe it was a wafer of some sort. So it comes in like a cute bear shape. Wow. That's really good. I'm excited to be snacking on that later. Okay, next we have, oh, it looks like a name tag. How, if you have like a suitcase or something and you want to tag your suitcase. That's cute. She's so cute. I don't know if she's from anything, but she's just super cute. And I like the leather strap. Is this an eraser? Looks like an eraser, which would make sense to go with the pencils. It is an eraser. Oh, that is so exciting. Oh, I love that. And it has cute baby unicorns all over it. That is so cute. I love everything in this box is just so cute. I mean, I know it's called Kawaii Box, so obviously it's going to be cute, but I'm on cuteness overload right now. They are stickers. Oh, that is so cute. They're little kitty cat stickers. So you can see all the designs on the back of there. That's so cute. Oh, I love this. It's a little kitty cat and a ghost. Oh, that's adorable. Okay, I don't know where I'm going to put all these stickers, but I love it, and they're going to go somewhere. And then we have a tiny notebook. Well, I guess I know where I'm putting my stickers now. And then it's just a regular notebook with a plastic cover. It says sparkle every day on the back. It's pretty cute. Oh, is this a little folder? What are you? What are you? I think it's a little folder, but I've never seen a folder like this before. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like a little folder. It's pretty cute. It has like cute designs all over it. They usually have an information card in here about all of this stuff, but I'm not seeing one in this box. But I mean, overall, I'm really happy with everything. I'm happier with this box than I was the last one. It probably is the pastel bunny, but I'm just really happy with this box. Our next box is going to be our Ipsy Box. So we get Ipsy every month, and it is $12.99. Oh, this is such a cute bag. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. And it's such a nice material. But if you don't know about Ipsy, every month they send you a new bag with new items in it. I never know what the bag is going to look like. Mom deals with my Ipsy subscription, so I never know anything that's going to come in it. But it usually has 4 to 5 sampler products. And this, okay, so starting off, this is a Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer, 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Opening it up, and wow, I like the case. The case is so pretty. Okay, so opening it up, oh, and it has a mirror on the back. So you can apply your bronzer and stuff. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, opening the bag. Jante Blue felt tip eyeliner in black. So I feel like I do get a lot of eyeliners from Ipsy, which I don't mind because I like trying out new eyeliners and seeing which brand that I like the most. Oh, yeah, it's a liquid eyeliner instead of being like a pencil or something. I do like that, and it says it's an ultra long-lasting formula. The Professional Hydrate Primer. Hydrating the face primer to minimize the looks of pores. Pores are really annoying. To use, smooth all over face with fingertips, use alone or under makeup as a primer. And then we have like a little tiny bottle right there. Nail Lacquer, the future of color. Rocky Mountain High. Ooh. Okay, so it's a darker purple color. It's very pretty. I am not good at painting my nails. I'm just throwing that out ahead of time. It's not my forte. Oh, I've actually had this serum before. The Congested Skin Serum by Balance Me. I've actually gotten this in a past box before. I can't remember which one, but it has worked really well in the past. So as usual, Ipsy sent me very interesting and cool things, and I love getting my Ipsy bag because it is just incredible. Last but not least, it is my monthly cartilage ear piercing box. So I do get this box off of bodycandy.com. They have multiple different subscription boxes. In one of my next videos, you'll be able to see the belly button ring one. They also have them for lip piercings and septum piercings. They have them for most piercings. They send you 3 unique pieces of jewelry that they don't sell in their store online. So this is this month's. It always comes in a little baggie, and this is for every piercing club. It always comes in a little baggie. The Body Candy Monthly Club is $14.99 a month. I personally went ahead and bought the whole year, so it was $150, which means that you get 2 months free. This is our first piece of jewelry. It is a tiny crown. It's a tiny tiara, and it looks to be rose gold. It is a piercing made specifically for cartilage piercings, so it does have one of those stoppers in the back, and it is a screw-on type. Oh, this is interesting. It seems to be made out of a black metal. It's a triangle with a bunch of other triangles on it. I don't know how to explain it. I like it though. And finally, for our third piercing, we have a gold one. Looks to be in the shape of a Star of David with a emerald in the center and diamonds surrounding it. So that's really pretty. I like that a lot. Out of these three, I would say my favorite is probably the tiara, because I don't know, I just find it cute. It's adorable. They always surprise me, and I like how they're unique earrings that you can't find at the store. Like on their store, you have to get the subscription box to get these earrings. Dizzy, go outside. Shut up. I'll let you out in a second. Calm down. So those were our 3 boxes today. I have to say I'm really pleased with all of them. Overall, my favorite item today would probably have to be this bunny. Because I am a huge child. I was unsure about the Kawaii Box. I think I'll give it one more try. I think I'll try it out one more time because this box was pretty good. I liked it a lot. That's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see me try any boxes, make sure you leave a comment down below and I will get to your box as soon as I can. But for now, thank you for joining me and I hope you have a lovely rest of your day. Bye!